Vivo is the latest smartphone company to enter the Australian market with the S1. This is a mid-tier device with a really impressive design, but what will really catch your attention is the number of flagship features they've managed to pack in. The Vivo S1 is just 8.13 millimeters thick and weighs just 179 grams. It has a 6.38-inch Halo full view Super AMOLED display, which has a 90% screen to body ratio. The screen is also full high definition with a resolution of 1080 by 2340. On the front, you'll also notice a small droplet shaped notch, which makes room for the 32 megapixel front facing camera. That's right, 32 megapixels for your selfies. And on the back panel is a triple camera system made up of an 8 megapixel AI super wide angle camera, a 13 megapixel main camera, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. On the security side, you'll also find face unlock and an in-screen fingerprint reader that will unlock the device really quickly. It's unusual to see an in-screen fingerprint reader on a device of this price. The device is powered by an octa-core processor and has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, which you can expand with a memory card. The device is running the Android 9.0 operating system, and it also has its FunTouch OS 9 user interface. And there's plenty of charge to get you through up to 2 days of use thanks to the 4,500 milliamp hour battery. And you can also take advantage of its unique dual engine fast charging, which will get you back to full charge in no time. The Vivo S1 is a smartphone that's affordable, yet has a pretty slick design and a host of flagship features. It's available now at JB Hi-Fi for $449.